going, guys? Carson here with Rust Belt Builds. We got 3 little AK blammers here. 2 of them being in mine, 1 of them being our good buddy Ben's. And then we got a Glock and a Sig Sauer P365 XL. This is a Gen 5 19. We got Z-Papped M92. Kind of, this is more relatively new than the one that has previously been featured on this channel, which is mine. Couple new things with it, like, can't remember if safety was in that other video, but I got a new rear sight for sure, new grip, which I decided to go with a Romanian surplus because I thought it was kind of cool. And then we got the crown piece jewel of my collection here, which is the 1988 Polytech Legend pre-ban, all original milled receiver AK-47. And yeah, so basically just making a video showcasing them functioning for you guys, since got a couple of comments on the one video of the M92 build saying, hey, you guys didn't even shoot them, that's kind of lame. And it was kind of lame, and I apologize, but hopefully we can make up for it today. So we got my Zastava here, the old M92, about 30 rounds of goodness here. And yeah, since I was bored and had all that stress building up recently, you know, I figured just mag dump into the side of the hill. I mean, we got like an orange target out there, but yeah, I probably won't hit that very much. Son. Oh. Hit the safety there, bud. I got him too. Do a little bit of a test here, bud. The red dot is on too. It's a Vortex Crossfire V2, so we'll see how that works.
Yeah, water mounting off that thing.
That's a flex and a half, bro. And the red dot's still working. Hell yeah.
Это моя косуська, я просто сука!
So we got the old Sig P365 XL here. It's a nice little handgun. It'll run you about, I'd say, I bought this for 700 bucks, so yeah. I really love the size of it. It's a really good little carry gun, especially since I can literally just fit it in my pocket if I wanted to, but no, so like I've heard good reviews and all that, but like everybody that I've ever watched is just like straight up just shooting and that's it. So like I kind of just wanted to do a little bit of like extra stuff here. That is not gonna run, bro. There's no way.
Is it in a battery?
No.
No battery.
Yeah. Gotta get it, bro. Ammo be expensive these days.
35 cents right there.
Dead ass.
Alright, so let me see that chamber again. Snow in the barrel.
Still snow in the barrel, yeah. Oh,
No battery.
some battery now.
Battery now.
Mag is seated, it feels. Yep. And the slide lock back. All right, cool. I love it. I like this gun now. So, these are the US Palm mags. Some people have been asking me about them, how I like them and all that. And honestly, I don't think they're too bad. If anything, I would put them almost on the same level as like a Magpul polymer mag, because these ones don't have the steel reinforcements. I'm pretty sure they make some that do, but I don't know. They're decent for like a polymer mag. I'd have to say they're better than like some of the Polish mags, except for the slab side polymer Polish mags. But the waffle pattern ones are. They don't really fit in a whole lot of Ks, and they just don't really function too well. But these US Palm mags are pretty decent. I got a couple of the clear ones and a couple of the black ones. I got some Magpul ones. I got some Croatian Steelies with me, and I also got some flatback Steelies that come with the big K. But we just had the first hang up I think I've ever had in this thing, except for a squib, which was a failure to chamber.
Hold on, move that.
All right. A little hiccup. This is after we threw it in the snow. It's been sitting for a second.
So here is the ultimate setup right here. This is my favorite. Well, Polytech is my favorite because it's so classic and clean. And it is a original firearm, if you will. But the Zastava. It almost looks like a crank if it was chambered in 5.45. The Dieter mag. What do you got to say about it?
I love it. Honestly, though, if you're getting a K and you're modifying it to be more ergonomic, my main goes-tos is obviously for a pistol you want a brace. That's flat out. But the main 3 keys to a modern fighting AK is to have a good light. I like Streamlight and Surefire. This is a Surefire M600 Scout. You got to have an optic. I mean, that's, if you want to be quick on your target acquisitions, a red dot is a great way to go. So I got a Vortex Crossfire 2 on there. And then, of course, a sling. Now, if I was going to add anything to that, ALG AKT triggers. They're about $75, 3.5 pounds. They're a short reset. I want to say Kyber Customs enhanced safety. This also has the Ambi addition to it. And then on the interior, what I would also highly recommend is M13 Industries sells these for $4. They're little trigger retainer pins, and they're so much better than the little eagle talons that you have to fight whenever you're doing it. So whenever you go and if you go to get a new trigger, I would definitely get one of those trigger retainers because they're just so much easier. All you got to do is take the safety out, and then it hinges up and out of there, and you can do whatever you need to your trigger work. So right now we're currently setting up a Kimbo M92 pistol action here. And this Velcro is like next level stuff.
So this AK is the same AK that Carson's AK is. It's the M92 Zastava ZPAP. This one has a slight different setup. It's got this flash hider is different. This is a bulge trunnion 1.5 millimeter instead of a 1 millimeter on his.
Yeah, he's also got the Bulgarian 4-piece.
This is also an adjustable stock instead of a folding brace.
It's a brace.
Brace.
Let her rip, Tater Chip.
Alrighty then, well, thank you for stopping by to watch this video. We have been itching to do a range day video. Both AKs were up and functional. We had the time. Everything worked out straight. Ammo is kind of cheap right now compared to what it used to be. Not really. So, like, subscribe, share to your friends. Word of mouth helps out a lot. We're going up in views. We got like 70,000 views across the whole channel. We're coming up on 300 subscribers. So we're slowly building. I appreciate everybody for watching, and thanks. Keep trucking.
Love you guys. Thank you.